When we talk about XDS, it's all about sharing clinical data, okay, throughout the community, beyond the specific hospital. When you talk about sharing data for imaging, there is XDSI, XDS, cross-domain sharing for imaging, okay? The XDSI version enables us to share data over HTTP protocols or that are suitable for both server and mobile. When we talk about XDS or XDSI network, there are several actors that participate within that network. Obviously, there is the source, the XDS source, or when we talk about imaging, there is the XDSI source. And this could be the modality itself, but if the modality doesn't really connect directly to the XDS network, it could be the PACS itself or the VNA doing that or representing the source. Then there would be the XDS repository, which keeps or stores the metadata for that study, for that imaging study. XDSI repository doesn't really stores the image data, but the metadata part of the imaging. Then we have the XDS registry. The XDS registry just points to the various repositories, so it knows where each instance of image data resides on. The following actor would be the XDSI consumer. The XDSI consumer will essentially query the XDS registry for various items or imaging data. Once he gets the result, he then can use that to connect directly to the specific repository and fetch the data on that imaging study. Now, within XDSI, there is an extra step which uses various methods in DICOM to actually load that study instance, that DICOM data. Carestream implements the following XDS and XDSI actors. It starts with the XDS document source or XDSI document source when our VNA and PACS are implementing the source actor. So we can connect to an external XDS repository and external XDS registry. On the other hand, our VNA and PACS also implement the XDS repository. Okay, so they can keep and warehouse all the XDS related data. The next actor would be the XDS registry. The Carestream portfolio includes XDS registry, which is capable indexing both DICOM and imaging data and non-related imaging data or any clinical data. Okay? Carestream portfolio also includes the XDSI consumer, which is part of our universal viewer. It can query and retrieve XDS data and DICOM data as well, and present them and display them side by side.